Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Very good evening, people. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Hello, people. Good evening. Good evening, beta. Ramya, Dinesh, Adya, Fiza, Abdul, Chintu, Ramesh, Nida, Samira, Lingala, Maheshwari, Pawan, Saivira, Bhavani, Sheikh Hajawali. Very good evening, beta. Avinash. Adya, Vaishnavi, Ram, Raju. Okay. Very good evening. Yeah, I'm good, beta. I'm good now. Route 2, sign 45, Route 2, please solve the problem, definitely. So, thank you so much, Dinesh. So, just send me the doubt in the comment box so that I can solve it. Okay? I can make a separate video for you and solve it. So, are we good to start the session, people? So before I start, I just want you all to share the session right now with all your friends. Okay, please share it with all your friends right now. Good evening, Pranav, Abdul Sattar, Mahesh, Lalita Rani, Vinay, Santosh, Ram. Very good evening, beta. So please share the session with all your friends. Nida, you are getting a separate video on that, beta. Okay. So I thought let me do one video on probability mock test analysis. Okay, so you'll get a video with the name probability mock test analysis. Yes, Lingara, there is a change. Okay, I will post the video of that also. Okay, I thought you will know it. I'll post that video also. I'm good here, Mr. Gamers. How are you people doing? Hi, Joshita. Hi, Saivira. Okay, so let's begin the session, beta. So I hope you're all doing great and yes. Uh, hmm. So just give me 1 second. Okay. Today we are going to do trigonometry. We are going to start trigonometry, and in trigonometry we are going to do a trigonometric ratios table today, beta. Is it clear? So as I told you, Abdul, yesterday only I did not take the class. I think yes, only yesterday I did not take. Isn't it? Welcome, Bhavika. You'll definitely like the session. So yeah, statistics marks. Yes, that video also I have to post. I'm so sorry. I will post your statistics rank list. So many of you got 10 on 10. And probability rank list I'll post tomorrow. Okay, statistics mark list I'll post today itself. After this video, you will get statistics marks list. Okay, so let's begin now. So yeah. So what are T ratios? What are T ratios? Trigonometry. Trigonometry deals with measurements, better measurement of the triangles. Trigon is a shape which is nothing but which has three sides, which is nothing but a triangle. Great, Abdul, congrats. Okay, and then metry is a measurement. And in triangle, what can we measure in a triangle if you see? Raju, I'll make it easy for you. Don't worry. Okay. Hi, Rajesh. Yeah. So no sine cos tan. I'm asking, what can you measure in a triangle? Hmm? What do you find in a triangle? People, please like the session. Everyone who has joined the session, please do like it. Exactly. As Sai Pranav says, there are sides and angles. Okay. So you can see, suppose ABC is a triangle. In a triangle, I have three sides and I have three angles. So my trigonometry is nothing but relationship. It gives me some measurement, some relationship between the sides and the angles. Clear till here, everyone? So it is giving me something related to sides and the angles. Okay. Hey, hi Santosh. Yes. In general sides. Now in the sides, if you see, hi Pranay, if I take a right angle triangle, okay, the side opposite to. Now listen very carefully, everyone, and I hope you're all ready with your books. I did not ask today. Are you all ready with the books? Ready with your books? Yes? Chalo. Right. So please take your books and be ready. Better today we are going to complete one topic. Okay? So just don't simply sit and just don't listen. You have to write whatever I am teaching now. Okay? So this is 90-degree angle. The side opposite to 90-degree angle is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side beta in the right angle triangle. Suppose if this is a right angle triangle, can you tell me which is the hypotenuse here? Which is the hypotenuse here? Which is the hypotenuse? Which is the hypotenuse I'm asking? Sirisha, definitely I'll take. Telangana model paper trigonometry, what is that? Whatever videos you want, please post me in the comments so that I can read after the session and make the videos. Exactly. AC is a hypotenuse because 90 is B, angle B is 90, so the side opposite to angle B is AC. So hypotenuse is clear. So however I draw the triangle, hypotenuse will be clear for you. However I draw. Okay, hypotenuse is the longest side and there is only one 90-degree angle. Can I form a triangle with two 90 degrees angles? You tell me now. Can I form a triangle with two 90-degree angles? Yes. Is it possible for me to form a triangle with two 90 degrees? Definitely, Maheshwari, I'll post it. Can I form it with two 90-degree angles? No, exactly. So, if one angle is 90, the other also, if it is 90, then there will be parallel lines. They will never meet. So, in a triangle, only one angle can be 90. Two angles can never be 90. Okay. So, only one angle can be 90. So, that one angle, okay, the side opposite to this particular 90-degree angle is a unique side. Unique means you can easily identify. It's a special side. Okay. Hypotenuse is clear. So hypotenuse has no issues. However I draw, you can identify where is the hypotenuse. Now the issue is with the base and the perpendicular side. Okay. The issue is with the base and the perpendicular side. Now here I can say this is the base. This is the perpendicular side. Here I can say this is the perpendicular side and this is the base. Yes or no, people? So as I'm rotating the triangle, the base and the perpendicular side can change. Okay, whatever topics you need, you can comment me. Okay, below this video, I'll take it up. Yeah, but now see, as we have found hypotenuse with reference to an angle. How did I find the hypotenuse? If a triangle is given to you, you firstly see where is the 90-degree angle. With respect to 90 degree, the side opposite to 90 degree, you say hypotenuse. So how am I finding hypotenuse? I am finding hypotenuse with respect to an angle. Which angle? 90-degree angle. Now same concept, let's apply to the other triangle. Okay. For the other triangle, how will I find the opposite side? So for that, I am going to take one angle as a reference. Suppose if this is ABC triangle, in this triangle, I am taking this angle as a reference angle. Okay, the side opposite to this angle, this side is called opposite side, or you can also call this perpendicular side. Okay. The side which is along with the angle, this side, okay, which is along with the angle, you can call it as base or adjacent side. Is it clear till here, everyone? Okay. Yes. Chalo. So now did you understand? So always we take an angle as reference to mark our opposite and adjacent sides. Clear, everyone? Okay. Pythagoras theorem is nowhere used here. Wait. I'm only talking about the sides better. Oh, hi Santosh. Okay. So see here. This is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle A, B, C. In this right angle triangle, if I am taking angle C as my reference angle, what is this called? Reference angle. Like for hypotenuse, I have taken the 90-degree angle as a reference angle. Here I am taking angle C as a reference angle. Okay. If I leave this 90-degree, I have two more angles. What are they? Angle A and C. Out of A and C, you take any one angle as your reference angle. So here in this case, I am taking angle C as a reference. So when I take angle C as reference, the side opposite to angle C is called opposite side, or you can also call it as perpendicular side. The side along with angle C is called adjacent side, or you can also call it as base. Now in some schools they teach you only opposite and adjacent. So if you know only opposite and adjacent, take it as opposite and adjacent. If you're talking perpendicular, then you'll have to talk about base. Okay. If I'm naming it as opposite side, the other side I can name it as adjacent. If I'm naming this as perpendicular side, the other I'll name it as base. But don't say opposite and perpendicular and adjacent. Okay. This goes as a pair. Understood, everyone till here? Okay. So now see here. Also, suppose if I take this angle as a reference, if I take this angle as a reference, then this side will be my opposite or the perpendicular side, and this will be my adjacent or the base. Understood, everyone? Hypotenuse is something which is, fixed, opposite to 90-degree. Is it clear better, everyone? Okay. Now, see here. Trigonometry is nothing but, we said we have three sides. What are the three sides? AB, I have BC, I have CA. I have three sides, isn't it? Now with these three sides, okay, if I can find some relation, how can I find relation? How can I compare anything? I can compare anything using ratios. You have learned in class 8 ratios and proportions. You can compare things using ratios. So here if I want to compare the sides, I can compare using ratio. So how am I comparing? I can compare AB with AC. I can compare AB with AC, BC with AC. So I have sides AB, BC and AC. I'm comparing AB and AC. I'm comparing BC and AC. What is remaining? AB and AC, no? AB and AC, BC and BC is over. What is remaining now? BC and AC is remaining. See here. BC and AC is remaining. So that you write here. So BC and AC is remaining. So you can compare BC and AC now. Is it clear, people? So I'm comparing BC and one second. These two we shall compare first. BC and AC is also over. I'm so sorry. Yes. See here. AB and AC we compared. Now BC and AC also we compared here. Okay. Then AB and AC is remaining, isn't it? So I'm just writing what is remaining here. AB and BC. Did you all understand? So for comparing, I have taken the ratio. Probability is already done. Please see the previous classes. Yeah, yes, Sai Pranav. So shall I take it as perpendicular and base? What do you say? So I just want to know whatever is convenient for you. Let's take that. If you want me to take it as perpendicular and base, I'll take. Otherwise, opposite and adjacent. What are you used to? What are you used to? Shall I take it as base and perpendicular or adjacent and opposite? Opposite and adjacent? Okay, fine. I'll take it better. Right. So now see. So I got the ratio AB by AC, BC by BC, BC by AC and AB by BC. Now always, to represent, if I want to represent or talk about this ratio, it's not always, cool to say AB by AC, BC by AC. It's little complicated, isn't it? So better we give names to that. Okay, so suppose you are all sitting in the class, it's not always, convenient for a teacher to say third bench, second boy, stand up. First bench, third girl, stand up, isn't it? So instead, it's always good that we have our names, opposite and adjacent. Okay, so I'll use opposite and adjacent terminology. Okay, yes. So let me erase this perpendicular. So I will only say opposite and adjacent. Clear, beta? Yes. So instead of, always saying that, I can give some names to it, right? So I will give a name here. Okay. The first ratio name, we are giving it as sine of that particular angle. Okay, what is that angle I have taken? What is the reference angle I have taken here? C, isn't it? Sine of C, or you can simply write it as sine C. Second name we are giving is cos C. Third name, let us give it as tan C. Okay, why only C? Because here I have taken the reference angle as C. If you take it as A, you can give it as tan A, sin A, cos A. No problem. Okay. Now for sine C, what is AB with respect to C, angle C? AB is the opposite side. With respect to angle C, BC is the adjacent side. So can I say sin C, which implies I can say sin C is nothing but, okay, or sin theta is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Okay, I can simply say sin theta is opposite by adjacent. Now BC is nothing but the adjacent side and AC is the hypotenuse. Oh my god, what blunders I am doing today, people. AC is nothing but the hypotenuse. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, so this is adjacent by hypotenuse, or simply I can say cos of any angle is adjacent by hypotenuse. Now see the next one, tan C. So tan C or tan theta, I can write it as what are these sides now? AB is the opposite side and BC is the adjacent side. So which means I can write tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. Understood, people? Okay, so I have taken three sides. I took the ratio of the sides. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So I've taken the ratio of the sides. Okay. And then for those ratios, I gave some names sine, cos, tan. And I've checked what are those sides. Then I found that sine C is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Cos C is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. And tan C is nothing but opposite by adjacent. So in general, we can write as sine theta, sine of any angle, sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, and tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Now, how will we remember this? That also I will tell you. But apart from this, people, now did you get a doubt? Why did you compare only AB by AC? Why didn't you take AC by AB? Why did you take only like this? Why didn't you go like this? You can go, right? So if you go AC by AB, or if you take AC by BC, or if you take BC by AB, which is nothing but you can see clearly these are the reciprocals of these. Okay, sine, cos, tan I wrote. Now AC by AB, AC by BC, ABC by AB are the reciprocals of sine, cos and tan respectively. So I'm giving some other name for this. Let me give reciprocal of sine is nothing but cosecant. Okay, cosecant here angle here in this case angle is C, isn't it? Cosecant C. Now reciprocal of cos let me write as secant C and reciprocal of tan let me write it as cot C. Okay, so in general these I can write it as cosecant of theta is AC is hypotenuse by AB is the opposite side. Now C, I can write it as hypotenuse by the adjacent side. Similarly, cot C, I can write it as adjacent side by the opposite side. So, are all the 6 ratios clear better? Exactly. Trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions. As of now, they are only ratios. Okay. We will extend them into functions in plus 1, intermediate. Okay. Plus 1 and plus 2. As of now, just the introduction. This is a baby step. That's it. Exactly, Adya. So, let me give you a short trick to remember this now. Okay. Before that, let me give you the relationships. Okay. So, understand that sine theta and cosecant theta are reciprocal of each other. Cos theta, secant theta are reciprocal of each other. Tan theta, cot theta are reciprocal of each other. Okay. Sine and cos are reciprocal of each other. Cos, secant, tan, cot. These are the reciprocals of each other. Now everyone see here. The trick which I want to give you is the easy one. Okay, instead of confusing sine is O by H or H by O or what. So you have 3 sides better in the triangle. See, in the triangle, I have 3 sides. Opposite side, adjacent side and the hypotenuse. So what do I have? I have opposite side, adjacent side. Isn't it? I have opposite side, adjacent side. Hypotenuse is the strongest, longest side. Okay, so that I am writing down. So O by H, A by H. This is nothing but the first ratio sine. This is nothing but the second ratio cos. Understood? So how did I write? I wrote A, O, A and H is the longest side. Just write it down. First ratio you learned in trigonometry is sine. Second ratio you learned is cos. So this is sine theta. This is cos theta. Now the third ratio we learned is tan theta. Tan is nothing but this O by A which we wrote horizontally. Just make it vertical. So you will have O by A. This is nothing but your tan. And you know very clearly your cosecant. Your cosecant comes here, secant comes here and cot comes here. So cosecant is nothing but H by O. Secant is H by A, just the reciprocal. This is A by O. Okay, once you know these 3, you can write the remaining. And also people, one more important relation is tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Or cot and tan are reciprocal of each other. If tan is sin by cos, then cot is cos by sin. Please write all this. All these are important for you. Okay, so you don't have to. Trigonometric table I will say. As of now, please concentrate on what I am teaching better. Okay. For ratio, I have given the trick. Is this okay? Is the trick okay? For ratio. Table, when I teach table, I'll give you the trick there. First ratio. Is the ratio trick okay? So what did I do in ratio? I have just taken, I have a triangle. So see here, what did I do? I have just taken a triangle. If this is theta, this is opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. So I wrote opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse comes down. And this opposite and adjacent comes like this, vertically. Now the first ratio, first name you learnt is sine, second name you learnt is cos, and this is nothing but tan. Okay, simple. Clear everyone? Yes? Yes, opposite by adjacent is tan. Opposite by adjacent is only tan. Tan you can write as sine by cos also. Why sine by cos? See here. If I divide this by hypotenuse and divide this by hypotenuse, you can see hypotenuse gets cancelled. You get O by A. But opposite by hypotenuse is sine and adjacent by hypotenuse is cos. So I can say tan theta is sine theta by cos theta also. So clear beta till here? Yes. Yes, numerators of sine and cos. Exactly. Shall we proceed to the questions now? It's clear? Great, great. So I just want you all to share the session with all your friends and everybody in the session. Please like the session. No problem, beta gamers. I'm doing it for you. Okay, so the first question, people. So I hope you understood till here. Okay, so the same, see, if I take now one more point I just want to tell you. If I take this as the reference angle, okay, if I take this as the reference angle, can you tell me what is sine theta here? This will be the opposite side, this will be the adjacent side, this will be the hypotenuse. Now here sine theta will be BC by AC, opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta will be AB by AC. Tan theta will be BC by AB. Okay, here opposite side will be the opposite side of the angle. So I am taking angle A here. Understood? So you should be able to do in any which ways given to you. Exactly, exactly. Great, great, great. Chalo, next question better. So let's do the very first question given in your textbook. In a right angle triangle ABC, okay, in a right angle triangle ABC, suppose this is a right angle triangle ABC, 8, 15, 17 centimeter. Okay, I have A, B, C. Okay, 8, 15, 17 centimeter are the lengths of AB. AB is 8 centimeter. Okay, see here, 8, 15 and 17 are the lengths of this. So AB is 8 and BC is 15, and obviously the longest side you should take it as hypotenuse. So AC should be my hypotenuse. Understood everyone? So AC is 17. Now you might ask, how did you take AC as 17? It is the longest side. So you take this as 17. This you can take it as 8 and 15. Okay, so definitely right angle will be between AB and BC because AC is the hypotenuse. Understood everyone? Okay, the angle opposite to this should be a right angle. Okay, or the side opposite to 90 degrees should be the hypotenuse or the longest side. Okay, now you need to find sine A, cos A, tan A. So I know one small dabba. What is the dabba? I know O A H H O A H H O A. This is sine, this is cos, this is tan. You don't even have to remember tan. If you know OA, H goes down. Okay, OA, H goes down. Okay, this is sine and second one is cos. Tan is nothing but sine by cos. So it will be O by A anyway. O by OA becomes O by A. Okay, so sine is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan is opposite by adjacent. Clear? But here you need to identify what are opposite, adjacent and all. So with respect to, what is the angle given here? Angle A. With respect to angle A, with respect to this angle, I need to find what is the opposite side. Opposite side is BC. So adjacent side will be AB and definitely AC is the hypotenuse, the longest side. So let's write here. The opposite side is BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. Opposite side BC is 15, hypotenuse is 17. So sine A is 15 by 17. Similarly, cos A adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. So cos A will be equals to 8 upon 17. Then see tan A, tan A. Tan A is opposite. Opposite is BC, adjacent is AB. So that will be equal to 15 by 8. Is it very clear to everyone in the class? The very basic solution this is. If this is clear, let's proceed. Theta is the name of the angle beta. Okay? People, please share the session with all your friends. We are going very slowly and very neatly. I'm trying to give you each and every concept. See the next question. The sides of a right angle triangle. So which means I need a right angle triangle first. The sides of this right angle triangle PQR. This time the name of the right angle triangle is PQR. So PQ is given as 7. Okay. PR is given as 25. Angle Q is 90. So this angle, this is 90. So this should be Q. Let this be P and let this be R. PQ is 7 centimeter. So this is 7. PR is 25 centimeter. So QR we don't know. And you need to find tan P minus tan R. Tan P and tan R. So let me firstly find what is tan P and tan R. Now everyone look here. P is here. Tan P means with respect to angle P. With respect to angle P, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side. So tan P is opposite by adjacent. OA becomes O by A for tan, isn't it? So tan P is opposite by adjacent. Tan R is also opposite by adjacent only. But opposite side of angle P is QR. Opposite adjacent side of angle P is QP or PQ you can write. Okay, so see here. Now for tan R. Now see here for angle R. This will be the opposite side and this will be the adjacent side. So opposite side of angle R is PQ or QP. Adjacent side is QR. Understood? Now here if I want to find tan P minus tan R, I should know the value of QR. QR is not known to us still. Understood? So how will we find QR? How can we find QR? Ma'am, if we take theta at 90 degree, what is the opposite, ma'am? Theta is fixed. That's what I explained, na? Before I started the other sides, first I explained about hypotenuse and 90 degrees only. And I also said you cannot have two 90 degrees. Everything was done better. Okay. Daily classes I will take. I'll take. I'm so sorry that I missed in between. I'll take. Oh, thank you so much, gamers. Yes, exactly. So you will use Pythagoras theorem beta. So what does Pythagoras theorem say? Pythagoras theorem tells me that hypotenuse square equals to square of the other two sides. So here hypotenuse is RP. Hypotenuse is RP. So let me write it here. Hypotenuse is PR or RP. So square of this equals to QR square plus PQ square. So PR is 25. So 25 square equals to QR square plus PQ is 7. So 7 square. Now 25 square is 625 equals to QR square plus 7 square is 49. So from here I can write QR square is equals to 625 minus 49. What is the 625 minus 49? 576. So QR will be equal to square root of 576 because QR square is 576. So you know 24 square is this. So QR should be equal to 24. And one more important thing beta, one more very important thing you see here. First you will write all this Pythagoras theorem, you will find all the sides. Then you will start writing tan P tan R. Okay, in the exam. Now see the next important thing is you learn Pythagorean triplet. Okay, if you have 5, 12, the other side hypotenuse will be 13. If you have 7, 24, the hypotenuse will be 25. So these are common triplets which will be given to you. So do learn these two. 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25. Okay, learn them. Okay. So see the next one. So now since you know what is QR, we just found the value of QR, isn't it? QR is 24. I can substitute here. QR is 24 divided by QP is how much? 7. Here QP is 7 by QR is 24. So this is tan R and this is tan P. I need to find now my goal is to find tan P minus tan R. Tan P is 24 by 7 minus tan R is 7 by 24. Did I do it correctly? Now what is the final answer here? So here what happens is since the denominators are not at all same, they are not like fractions, so I'll have to multiply both of them. So 24 into 7. So 28, 14, 168. Okay. Then here you will multiply it with 24 and here you will multiply with 7. 24 into 24, just now we wrote it is 576 minus 7 into 7 is 49. So the final answer you get is 576 minus 49. 9. So 9 minus 6, 7. 1 borrow there. So 6 minus 4 is 2 and 5. 527 divided by 168. Did you all understand till here? People, please let me know. If you reverse the name of the triangle, where? Exactly. These are called triplets. You want to reverse the name of the triangle, you can reverse it, but provided in the question if nothing is mentioned. Here clearly Q is given as 90. So if you want to reverse it also, see, this is 90, this you cannot change. Instead of giving P here, if you want to give R and P, no problem beta, no problem at all. So here PR will be 25 again. QP will be 7 again. Okay. Now for this angle P, what is the opposite side? QR is the opposite side again. And PQ is the adjacent side again. You see, you will get the same thing. No problem. Okay. Chalo. Next question. Shall I proceed with the next one, people? Understood better? Why can't we take reference angle as 90? Reference angle, we took it as 90, Avinash. Come on. Before I started the session, what did I tell you? I said reference angle we are taking from where this reference angle story started, from 90 degrees only, no? How did you identify hypotenuse? I said we have taken reference angle as 90 and identified hypotenuse. Reference angle started with 90. History starts in the reference angle 90. Clear, people, till here this question? Chalo. Now next question. Great, great. History started with hypotenuse and history repeated with the other angles. Okay? Chalo, next question. So great, so great. Right. Next question, beta. So, in a right angle triangle ABC with right angle B. Now, where is the right angle? Ekkadundi? Where is the right angle? Where is that? Where is that? Where is that right angle? Where is that right angle, Chari? Here is it. Okay. So, right angle is at angle B, in which A is 24, B is 25 units, angle angle BAC. So I'm taking this as AC. So Nida, you understood now? You can take it as CA also, no problem. You can take it as AC or CA, no problem at all. Now I want, see this angle BAC. So this angle is given as theta. Okay, angle BAC is given as theta. Why we have to learn the number 5, 25, 13? Don't please learn 5, 25, 13. That is the wrong combination. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is obeyed in this combination. 5, 12. If you take the other two sides as 5, 12, hypotenuse will be 13. You square it and see 5 square plus 12 square will be equal to 13 square. Pythagoras theorem is satisfied. So instead of every time finding, I told you just have an idea, because these are the common sides which we are using. Okay, those are called triplets. Pythagorean triplet. Why triplet? Three numbers are involved, isn't it? Three numbers are called triplets. Okay, so angle B is 90. Okay, and then angle BAC is theta. Okay, and what is the small b? What is small b? Theta is just the name of the angle, beta. Okay, instead of saying ABC, see, I can say this is triangle ABC. I can say this is triangle PQR. Okay, so different triangles have different names. So angles we give name as theta. Okay, in general, so that we can make it as little common. That is just the name given to you. Okay, so for example, instead of calling angle BSC all time, I can say angle theta. Okay, it is like your nickname. Okay, instead of calling you Veera Raghavachari, I can call you just Veera. Okay, understood? Actually, that is an Greek letter. Okay, chalo. What are triplets, Bhavika? Okay, chalo. So, A is 24. I don't know what is A. Always remember, beta. Small letter A, B is nothing but we denote sides with them. Okay. And what is the small a? Small a is nothing but opposite to this capital A angle. This side you can call it as small a. Opposite to this capital B, this side you can call it as small b. Opposite to this capital C angle, this side you call it as small c. Understood everyone? Okay, exactly. Very good, very good, very good. So now see here. So this small a is 24 here and B is 25 units. So 24 and 25. So what is this? You know very clearly now. Pythagoras triplets, just now we discussed it has to be 7. But you don't write it has to be 7. You should prove and write. Okay, just for your idea I said. It's always good to know the answer before you solve, isn't it? You'll have confidence. So here using Pythagoras theorem, I know AC square is equals to BC square plus AB square. So this is 25 square is equals to BC is 24 square plus AB square. This is 25 square is 625 is 576 plus AB square. So AB square I can write it as 625 minus 576, which is nothing but 949. So AB would be equal to root 49. Root 49 is nothing but 7. Okay, 7 units. They gave you as units, no? 24 units, 25 units. So this also has to be 7 units. Okay, so I got AB as 7 units. Now I need to find cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos is nothing but OA. So cos will start with A by H. So adjacent side of this angle theta, this is the adjacent side. So AB is the adjacent side divided by AC is the hypotenuse. So adjacent side is how much? 7. Hypotenuse is 25. So cos theta is 7 by 25. Next you want tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but OA vertically. So O by A. O is opposite side of theta is BC. Adjacent side of theta is AB. So BC by AB is 24 by 7. This is tan theta. Any doubt in this question, people? Yes, we have to find BA and done. Any doubt here? Shall we proceed to the next one? Yes. See the next question. Cos A is given as 12 by 13. Cos A is given as 12 by 13. Till now, till the before question, sides were given to you, you found angles. Now, sides were given, you found that the trigonometric ratios, cos, sine, tan, all those you found, sides were given. Now, trigonometric ratio is given to you. Okay, you need to find the other trigonometric ratios. Now see here, cos A is 12 by 13. You know cos A is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. They are asking you to find sin A. Sin A is opposite by hypotenuse and tan A is opposite by adjacent. So from this you completely understand that opposite side is something which I need to find now. Okay, I have adjacent and hypotenuse relation but opposite I don't have. Okay, so what shall we do? We shall take a right angle triangle now. Okay, in this right angle triangle, let me take it as A, B, C. Sin A, cos A, tan A, which means A is my reference angle. Okay, with respect to angle A, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, this is the hypotenuse. Clear everyone now? So after this, see here, cos A is 12 by 13. So, you know, cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. So from this I can take adjacent side is 12k units or 12x units. Hypotenuse is 13k units. Okay, so this adjacent side I am taking it as 12k units. Hypotenuse is 13k units. Now you will use Pythagoras theorem to find what is the opposite side. So in triangle ABC, so I can write AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square means 13k whole square is equals to AB is 12k whole square plus BC square. So 12, 13, then obviously this should be 5 and you have a k. Okay, so that's why I asked you to just remember so that you know the answer. You get confidence whether you have done it correctly or wrong. Okay, so this is 169k square equals to 144k square plus BC square. Now take 144 to the other side. So 169k square minus 144k square equals to BC square. 169 minus 144 is simple 25. Or what is BC? BC is square root of 25 square. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of k square is k. So BC I got as 5k. Did you understand now? I got the correct answer only. So now since I got BC as 5k, I need to find which angles. I need to find sine A. Sine A is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC here, hypotenuse is AC. BC is 5k, AC is 13k, kk cancel, so you have 5 by 13. Next, let us find tan A. Tan A I need to find, isn't it? Tan A equals to, tan A is opposite by adjacent, so opposite side is BC, adjacent side is AB. So that is equal to BC is 5k, AB is 12k, so kk cancel, so 5 by 12. Any doubt in this question? Let me know better. I'm checking your chats now. Why are we putting k? Why we put k? Okay. Exactly, Bhavika. So it is 5. So, see, Bhavika, why are we using Pythagoras triplet? By finding in the long method also, I get the answer 5. But if you remember, it's like a trick. If you remember, you obviously know that, okay, my answer should be 5. And your calculations will be little easier. Okay. Why are we taking k? I will explain now. Okay. Why are we taking k? Okay. So, whenever you take ratio, 12 by 13 is a ratio. Agreed or not? So who asked me why are we putting K? Avinash and Bhavika. Okay. So I take Bhavika and Avinash as my example here. Okay. To answer why are we taking K. Is it clear, beta? So, um, the ratio of, let me take the ratio of chocolates Bhavika and Avinash have is 1 by 2. The ratio of chocolates Bhavika and Avinash have is 1 by 2. So, according to you, you say that Bhavika has 1 chocolate and Avinash has 2 chocolate because directly you are taking. But I say, no, I have given Bhavika 5 chocolates. How many chocolates I gave Bhavika? 5 chocolates. Avinash, I gave 10 chocolates. So, when I took the ratio of Bhavika by Avinash, 5 by 10 is nothing but 1 by 2. I gave you the final ratio. So you mistook that Bhavika has only 1 chocolate and Avinash has 2 chocolates. But in reality, Bhavika has 5 chocolates, Avinash has 10 chocolates. So if you directly take 1 and 2, how will you know whether you have taken it correctly or wrong? Because always ratio we simplify. Ratio means we simplify. How do we simplify? Here see, 5 is a common factor. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So I am dividing this by 5. Both numerator and denominator by 5, then I am getting 1 by 2. So ratio is always the simplest form. I got the simplest form. Okay, by taking the actual number, actual quantity, I got the simplest form. Understood, people? So I cannot say that Bhavika has only 1 chocolate, Avinash has only two chocolates. I can say that Bhavika has 1 into K. I can say Avinash has 2 into K. Now, what is this K? K is a common factor which you cancelled just now. Okay, here you divided by 5 and divided by 5. Then you got 1 by 2, isn't it? Now, if I multiply this by 5 and multiply this also by the same 5, okay, I get 5 by 10. This is the actual number. Understood? Now, I can say Bhavika has 1 into what is that K? It is 5. Avinash has 2 into what is that K? 5. So, Bhavika has 5 chocolates. Avinash got 10 chocolates. This is how I can know once I take the common factor. So if you take ratio, common factor will get cancelled. Okay. Yes, exactly. So common factor will get cancelled. So instead of cancelling, so you cannot get the direct value. So that is the reason you take K as the common factor. Okay, because you don't know what is the common factor. Here I gave you the number, so you know 5 is the common factor. Understood, people? Great. Speed up, speed up. No, I'm not going to speed up anywhere. Who is this? Speed up is not, yes, it is compulsory to take K because directly you cannot take the value. I cannot say Bhavika has only one chocolate. Are you correct if you say Bhavika has only one chocolate? It's not correct, right? Smiley, Pavan, please wait a little. Okay, so let everyone clear the concept better. Trigonometry, many of you feel it tough. So I'm going very slowly, literally slowly I'm going. I know I'm going slowly, but I want everyone to understand. Okay? Why are we not using angle theta? It is not given as angle theta, na? So why do you want to use? Okay? Chalo, what is given to you? Understand the question. Write the information accordingly to you use. If angle triangle ABC is given, you cannot say why can't we take it as PQR? You can take it as PQR. But then here in the question ABC is given, so do according to ABC. Okay. Now see the next question. Now once this question is understood to you, this is understood, right? So the next question should be easy for you. Okay. Now see, can I write as 4 by 3? This 3 is in multiplication, transposing to the other side, I get 4 by 3. So again the same process. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. So can I say opposite side is 4 and adjacent side is 3? I cannot directly take. So I take opposite side is 4k, adjacent side is 3k because it is a ratio. Okay. So now simple beta. Now once you understood the previous question, this is very easy for you. So ABC. Now you have taken tan A and you want sin A cos A. So what is the reference angle? Definitely A. With respect to A, this is the opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse. Understood? So what else I need to find here? For sin A, I need hypotenuse. So using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC, I can write AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. I hope you can do this by yourself. AC is 4k whole square equals to AB is 3k whole square plus BC square. So 4k whole square is 16k square. 3k whole square is 9k square plus BC square. So BC square I can write as 16k square minus 9k square. How much is this? 7k square. Okay, so this is BC square. So BC will be root of 7k square. 7 I cannot get a perfect root for it, so I can write it this way. Till here understood everyone? After this you can do it by yourself. Abdul, I gave you a lot of explanation for that better. What is given, you take that name. When it is given as theta, take it as theta. When it is not given as theta, you cannot change the name given in the question. Then your answer, even if you do everything correct also, if the name is wrong, you cannot take it. Come on now. So, sin A is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. So, opposite side is how much here? BC. By hypotenuse is AC. BC is root 7k. Hypotenuse is, how much is hypotenuse? AC was 4k. One second, people. AC. I substituted it wrong. I substituted 4k in the place of hypotenuse. 1 second. Opposite side is 4k. Adjacent side is 3k. Isn't it? So, AC is equals to 4k whole square plus 3k whole square. So that is 16k whole square plus 9k whole square. So 16 plus 9 is 25k square. So it is 5k. AC will be equal to 5k. Understood everyone here? I substituted it wrong. I'm so sorry. So is it clear, people? Please let me know. Please let me know. Ha. I checked it, beta. I checked it. He's spamming in the chat. Hmm. Okay. I'm so sorry. So is it clear? You ask me the question again and again, the same question, and here I mistook it. So BC is nothing but 4k. AC is 5k. You got it as 5k. Okay, so k and k cancel. So sin theta is 4 by 5. Now what is cos theta? Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 3k. Hypotenuse is 5k. So this is 3 by 5. Clear, people? Triangle is correct, beta. Now it is correct. Okay. Chalo, next one. So in this triangle ABC, in triangle ABC and XYZ. So you have two triangles, people. ABC and XYZ. Let me draw the triangles once again. This is one triangle ABC and XYZ. So A, B, C, X, X, Y, Z. See, there are two triangles ABC and XYZ, and it is given that, angle A and angle X are acute angles. Acute means they cannot be 90. So you cannot take A here. You cannot take A here. You cannot take X here. Other than these two 90-degree angles, you can take it here or here, here or here. Okay, other two angles you can take. Understood? I just took it on the base so that it will be easy for me to write, represent and show you. Okay, so A you cannot take here. X you cannot take here because they said A and X are acute angles. So it can be here or here. Or here or here. X can be here or here. I just took it in the bottom. Okay, for easy reference. Understood, everyone? Why did I take it that like that only? Okay, I hope it is clear. Now in these two triangles, I should show exactly better similar triangle concept. I should show angle A equal to angle X. Two different triangles are given. So just take cos A equal to cos X is given to me. What is cos A? Cos of any angle. Cos of any angle is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. So cos of angle A with respect to angle A, this is opposite adjacent hypotenuse. With respect to angle X, this is opposite adjacent hypotenuse. Cos A is nothing but, what is the adjacent side here? AB is adjacent divided by AC. Cos X is, what is cos X here? Adjacent side is XY and hypotenuse is XZ. Till here is it clear, beta? Now along with this, see. Along with this, what can I take here? Cos A is cos X given to us in the question. So I just substituted what is cos A, I just substituted what is cos X. Okay. Now, what can we do? Yeah, this is the last question. Now, what can we do? See, I have relation of AB and I have relation of AC. I have relation of XY. I have relation of XZ. Do I know what is BC? Do I know what is YZ? I don't know, right? So, let us write. In triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, AC square equals to BC square plus AB square. I just wrote Pythagoras theorem. So, from this I can write BC square is equals to AC square minus AB square. Also in the next triangle, you see in triangle XYZ, I can write XZ square equals to YZ square plus XY square, or YZ square I can write it as how? YZ square I can write it as XZ square plus, minus XZ square minus XY square. Till here is it clear, people? Yes. Let's equate. Let's equate. Instead of this method, can we take X and A in one triangle? You can take neither, provided they give you as one triangle. Here they mention two different triangles clearly. I will explain one triangle also. First, let me complete two triangles given to you. Okay. So, I just found, see here people. I have just done a simple thing. I know AB, I know AC, XY, XZ. So, these two sides and these two sides are used. Third side, BC and YZ we don't know. So, we have used Pythagoras theorem to write that. Now, let us take this everything is equal to K. Okay, so from this I can write, if I equate the first ratio to K, I can write AB equal to KAC. If I equate these two ratios, I can write XY equals to KXZ. So please substitute here. So from here I can write AB is KAC. So AC square minus AB is nothing but KAC whole square. So I can write K square AC square. Or if I take AC square common, it is 1 minus K square. What is this? BC square is 1 minus AC square into 1 minus K square. Now what is YZ square? I can write this as XZ square minus XY is nothing but KXZ square. So if I take XZ square common, I can write as 1 minus X square. Okay. Now let us take the ratio. See, you have the ratio of AB by AC. You have the ratio of XY by XZ. Let us take the ratio of BC by YZ. What you found just now, BC by YZ. Let me take the ratio of it. BC is nothing but AC into root 1 minus K square divided by, this is XZ into root 1 minus K square. These two gets cancelled and you have BC by YZ equals to AC by XZ. BC by YZ equals to AC by XZ. Or if I take this as BC by AC, taking AC to the other side and YZ here, it is YZ by XZ. BC by AC. So here you can see all the ratios are equal now. All the ratios are equal. So similar triangle concept it is. All the ratios here are equal. BC by AC. BC by AC equals to XYZ by XZ. Okay, and already you have some ratio given to you here. Everything is equal to K. So you will get here equating, you will get AB by XY is equals to BC by YZ is equals to AC by XZ. Since all the three sides are in same ratio, using SSS similarity criterion, I can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. When the two triangles are similar, now the corresponding angles I can take, they are equal. So angle A equal to angle X. Is it clear, people? We can test on similar triangles. Let's do. Exactly. Exactly. So here similar triangles concept is used. So if you want me to explain it again after similar triangles, I will explain. Okay? If you don't know what is similar triangles concept. Otherwise, you can understand this. Chalo. Next one. So cot theta is 7 by 8 beta. Cot theta is 7 by 8. So that is nothing but adjacent by opposite side. So here I'm explaining little fastly. I hope you understand. Okay, same concept. So see here, if I take this as theta, now who was that who asked me why not theta? So here theta is there, so you take it as theta. What name is given, you take that name. So here theta, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, opposite side, and this is the hypotenuse. So opposite side is 8k, this is 7k. So this will be how much hypotenuse? Root over 8k whole square plus 7k whole square. So you get your hypotenuse value from here. After you get your hypotenuse, please substitute here. So 1 plus sine theta. So after get hypotenuse, find sine theta value, cos theta value and substitute here. Okay, in the question. Once we learn identities also, here actually this becomes an identity. I will show you there. As of now, you substitute in the traditional method which we learned till now. Clear better? Okay, you substitute and solve it further. Clear everyone? Yes? Similar triangle, I'll explain it again when I'm teaching you similar triangle. Okay? Acha, neither wants it in one triangle. That I will explain. See once. Similar triangle, there's criteria for similarity I need to explain. So, when I'm teaching that again, I'll explain. Suppose if the same question says in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, cos A equals to cos X. Suppose if this is B, this is X and this is A. So cos A equal to cos X. With respect to A, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent. With respect to X, this will be the opposite side, this will be the adjacent side. Okay, so just write it here. Cos A will be equal to, and this is the hypotenuse, right? So it will be AB by AX, and cos X will be equal to, the adjacent side is BX for this, and AX. AX gets cancelled because it is the same hypotenuse, so you get AB equal to BX. AB equal to BX. When AB and BX are equal, this becomes an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, these two angles will be equal beta. Angles opposite to your equal sides will be equal. So angle A equal to angle X. This is without taking two triangles. This is with taking two triangles because two triangles are given. And all those who did not understand similarity concept, okay, so again I'll explain this question after I teach a similarity concept. Okay, so this part you take it as DIY beta. So how will you find? This is 113k, you get root 113k. So substitute the values here, find sin theta, cos theta and substitute it here. Will you do? Please let me know. Okay, we have done lot of questions better, so I just want you to do it once. Okay, so now you see here in triangle ABC, right angle at B, sorry, right angle is at B. This is C and this is A. Okay, so this is 90. Tan A is given as root 3. Tan A is given as root 3. You know tan A is nothing but opposite by adjacent. So nothing is in denominator, you take it as 1. So I can take opposite side is root 3 k units and adjacent side is 1 k unit. So with respect to A, this is opposite, so root 3k and adjacent side is 1k. So find the hypotenuse here. It will be 3k square plus k square. Okay, so it is 2k. Hypotenuse is 2k. Now find sin A, cos A, and sin C and cos C. Now when you are finding sin C and cos C, the angle will change. So the opposite side and adjacent side will change. So accordingly find these angles and then substitute here and check your answer. Okay. Square, I thought you will understand here. So see here, but I didn't have place, so I did not square. So you have BC square equals to AC square into 1 minus K square. So I wrote BC will be root of this. Root of AC square into 1 minus K square. So AC square, this root and this root gets cancelled and this will be root 1 minus K square. Okay. So don't worry about this question. I will explain again after similar triangles. And these two last questions I want you all to do. And tomorrow's session, listen people, now. Tomorrow's session, we will be doing trigonometric ratios table. I'll be teaching you table. While I teach you table, I'll also give you a trick of how to remember, don't worry. And before I start this concept, I will ask you whether you are able to do the last three questions which I, completed little fastly. So if you're able to do the last three questions, tell me. If you're not able to do, I will explain it once again quickly within 5-10 minutes and I'll start the next topic. Understood everyone? Okay, and applications of trigonometry also some of you asked me, so I'll do that also. Okay, you will do great better. So you do, and if any doubts again tomorrow I'm here for you. Okay, so that's all for today then. Thank you so much for being here beta. Do subscribe the channel. Bhavika class earlier, actually poll was conducted on the session, on the channel. So most of you asked after 8 o'clock only. We can do any method, right? Which method better? For the triangle you are asking similar triangle Pranav? 8:30 start there na, 8:30, 8:40. Lesson 12 test Nida I'll connect better. Now immediately you will get the result of your statistics test. Okay? 8:30 is okay for tomorrow then? Yeah, love you so much people. So I'll see you all. Thank you, Pawan. So tomorrow, please practice and come. Okay, statistics max now only I'll post. In 10-15 minutes, you'll get statistics video. Okay, 10-15 minutes, you'll get statistics video. Last one. Last one, you can do any method better. So after I teach you trigonometric table, so you will know angle is 60 degree directly. So you can substitute there. No problem, beta. Okay? No problem. Similar triangles I will revise, don't worry. As per timetable we are going. Okay? Yeah. Thank you so much for being here, beta. I'll see you all in tomorrow's session. Okay? Eat and come to the session because it is becoming very late. And do practice before you go to sleep. Once you practice these problems, okay? And then you sleep. Okay? Any doubts tomorrow, you please ask me. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you, Bhavika. Thank you, Sai Charan. Yes, every day we are taking. So thank you, beta. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all and good night. And do share the sessions with all your friends, please. Okay, and do like it. And do comment and let me know how did you like it. Okay, so trigonometry was difficult for you. Are you feeling at least little easy now? We did not complete still, but at least did you gain little confidence? Just comment and let me know. And let me know